Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a good solid day here for Tesla. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the past videos, but talked about this resistance trend line here and actually got the break above it today. So that's the overall context, is that trend line has been broken, and just from a clutter perspective, I don't want to have lines everywhere you look and, create clutter and confusion. Just try to keep this as clean as possible. But just understand that that's the general context here right now, is that trend line has been broken. But we have an old foe that has come back into the mix again. And for those of you that have not necessarily even been watching my videos, but just watch charts, $860 was once again basically tested this morning. You can see right up there. And once again, like it's happened in the past, time and time again, 860 once again has rejected the price back downwards. So while I'm not saying that 860 will never and can never be broken, I'm just saying we have yet again another data point where there's just going to be so many more people watching that 860 mark. So while nothing is guaranteed, my core point here is that's more than reasonable to think that if the price could get up to 860 and finally get a good solid break of 860, that break in and of itself could create a whole lot of upwards buying pressure, just because all those breakout players are definitely already going to be watching that 860 mark. So watch that moving forward. That is by far that key level of resistance to keep a close eye on. As far as the areas of support are concerned, the level that really stands out to me is all about that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average. Current value of that is, we'll just call it the 844 mark. So curious about 844. We'll see if that level even comes into play. But I think most people, and the most interesting dynamic is all about that 860 mark, and can the price not only get up to it, but finally maybe get a break up through it. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, it's looking like Thursday is going to be a very interesting day. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.